Hi there, I'm Bert Montoya, Customer Support Manager here at ELOKON. In the busiest industrial environments, proximity matters. One wrong turn or a distracted step, and the consequences could be catastrophic. That's why we developed ELOshield, our proximity detection system. ELOshield uses ultra-wideband technology to create an invisible safety zone around forklifts, AGVs, AMRs, and pedestrians. It measures the distance between units with incredible precision in milliseconds and accurate to within inches. If someone or something enters a danger zone, ELOshield reacts instantly. It alerts the driver with flashing lights and an audible alarm, and it alerts the pedestrian with a vibration from a wearable tag. In high-risk environments, it can also slow down the vehicle speed to give the driver more reaction time. This isn't just theoretical. ELOshield is being used today in some of the most demanding environments around the world. See that light behind me? It's flashing now because somebody has entered the vehicle's danger zone. That's ELOshield working live. And because it's fully retrofittable and OEM independent, ELOshield works with your fleet regardless of the brand or the size. It can also be integrated with ELOfleet for centralized monitoring and analytics, and it can be paired with our AI-powered detection system for environments where not everybody wears a badge. If your goal is to create a culture of prevention instead of reaction, ELOshield gives you the tools to make that a reality. Smarter proximity detection, safer operations, that's ELOshield.